Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have been enjoying this video so far. Now, I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I am a member of the Home Decor Luxe Club. Now, we've come together and will come together every week this month to bring you our Fall Vibes series. Now, this series is one that we hope will inspire you to decorate your home for fall. Now, this week we were doing our 99-cent challenge, basically using a Dollar Tree item in a tablescape or a DIY. Now, the video I'm sharing with you, I created some of these pieces using Dollar Tree DIYs, and I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description box for you. Now, please go, if you would, and visit all of the ladies that are members of the club. They are Glam Elegant Living, that is Lady Allie, our main host, Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, DIY Design by CCW. Now that is my other channel. This is Tablescapes by Candy. And then there's Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Miriam Creative Corner. Now I've left a link to the playlist down in my description box. And again, I hope you'll go and visit everyone today. Thanks again for watching. And listen, if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll subscribe today. And please visit my other channels, DIY Design by CCW and the Glam Decor channel. All right, have a wonderful day or a wonderful night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.